Welcome to the video presentation of Drugs and Vaccine Distribution Management System of Nagaland. DVDMS is a web-based application which deals with the management of stock of drugs required by different district drug warehouses and hospitals. The main aim of DVDMS is to ascertain the need of drugs in district drug warehouses such that all the required drugs are constantly available to be supplied to the health facility, and finally issuing drugs to the patients, who is the final consumer in the chain without any delay. Benefits and main objectives of DVDMS: to implement a transparent system for procurement, storage and distribution of quality drugs required for the hospitals, to ensure adequate savings in the drugs budget by scientific forecasting system based on the preparation of essential drug list and its actual consumption, real-time availability of essential drugs in health facilities, empowerment of citizens, lowered wastage of medicines, reduced cost expenditure in government function ensures funds are utilizing according to its intended purpose. Uniqueness of DVDMS Nagaland portal: bottom to top approach for collection of annual requirement of drugs based on consumption pattern instead based on population, distribution of drugs to health facility on requirement basis, top-down approach for better monitoring and control down the line, real-time monitoring of availability of drugs, reducing wastage of drugs through transfer of drugs among drug warehouses, real-time alert for expiring drugs. DVDMS process modules. Annual demand: this module collects requirement of drugs for coming financial year for the state through bottom to top approach. Order management: with this module, online purchase order is generated to the lowest rate contract. Supplier process the purchase order online through the application. Stock register: time to time stock verification is performed and condemnation is done if there is any expired or damaged drug exists in the store. Requisition: health facility or district warehouse generate online indent time to time. District warehouse also submit if required for access or shortage transfer. Receiving: purchase order challan are received, verified and accepted through this module. Drugs against indent also received. Issue and return: issuing of drugs for online indent, offline indent and issue to patient is done in this module. Return of drugs from patient, NGO and health facility is captured in this module. Financial management: budget and supplier payment is managed in this module. Reports: different type of reports like stock report, indent report, issue report, challan report, etc. can be generated with this portal. Thank you for listening.